So these pieces are from the 2015 show that I did as part of Art Basel. I went into the archive again and collected the index card images that Paul Chalfin put together for everything that was purchased for the house and turned them into stained glass cards that I use on the overhead projectors to create illuminated animations. So one of the central ideas behind the kind of illuminated work that I do is exploring the history of stained glass and the way that we can reimagine it. So this is what a sheet of stained glass looks like. This was hand blown in West Virginia. That's why it has all these wonderful textures to it. So as the projectors, who are community members, work with the overheads, they'll pass these stained glass sheets in front of the light, let them settle, and then add these stained glass cards, which are from the Vizcaya Archive. They're objects that were purchased for the house by James Deering and Paul Chalfin, and you can see them inside the house today. Spectral Vizcaya is a series of installations and sculptures, but the participants, the audience members themselves, actually become the last part of putting on the show. Your shadows will be cast across the house. You'll shine light as you walk through the exhibit. So every participant, every audience member has a role to play in bringing this project to life. Not to mention a really important part, which is to dress up for the part. So please come in your best Roaring 20s outfit. We're 100 years later, and we're ready to have a good time together.
To learn more about Spectral Vizcaya and reserve tickets for the February 26th performance, visit vizcaya.org/spectral.